So let's get real for a second. You've probably seen headlines like millionaires made a fortune from Tesla shares or early investors in Apple stock became rich overnight. And you're sitting there thinking, cool, but that's not me. I don't have a trust fund, insider connections, or a multi-million-dollar portfolio lying around. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Wealthy people don't just get lucky. They play by rules that most everyday people either don't know or don't follow consistently. And the best part, these rules aren't locked away in some secret vault in stock market. They're habits, systems, and strategies that you and I can start applying right now, no matter our net worth. These aren't get-rich-quick tricks. They're methods that build cash flow, financial security, and long-term equity growth. Don't miss the powerful takeaway at the end of the video. If you're serious about building wealth and breaking free from money problems, hit that subscribe button. We've got powerful content lined up to fuel your journey. Strategy number 1. They invest in ownership, not just income. Most people work for a paycheck. Wealthy people, they work for ownership. Here's the deal. If you only rely on wages, you're capped. But if you own even a small piece of an asset, whether that's a few Amazon shares, a rental property, or an index fund tracking the S&P 500, you've planted a seed that grows while you sleep. Wealthy investors focus on equity growth. They know it's not about the hours they work, but about the assets they own. It's why they're more interested in acquiring shares of strong businesses or buying into real estate deals than simply landing a higher salary. And here's your action step. Stop asking, how can I earn more this month? Instead, ask, how can I own something that continues to pay me tomorrow? Ownership is the real entry ticket into the wealth club. Number 2, they diversify like architects, not gamblers. The average person thinks diversification means having a little money in a savings account and maybe dabbling in 1 or 2 stocks. But wealthy investors think differently. They design their portfolios like an architect builds a skyscraper: strong foundation, balanced structure, and room for growth. Here's the mistake everyday investors make: going all in on hype. Remember the frenzy when everyone was rushing to buy Nvidia stock? Some people went all or nothing on it. Wealthy investors, on the other hand, may buy Nvidia shares, but they'll balance that risk with dividend-paying ETFs, bonds, or even international exposure. They understand one core principle: no single asset is bulletproof. Even Microsoft stock, with all its dominance, has faced decades of ups and downs. Diversification is their shield. So here's a question: do you want to gamble, or do you want to architect wealth? If your portfolio looks like a lottery ticket, it's time to rethink. Let's talk about the thing wealthy investors obsess over that almost no one else does: cash flow. They prioritize cash flow over jackpot gains. Rich people don't care about looking rich on paper. They care about money moving into their accounts every single month. For example, an everyday investor might chase a hot IPO hoping the stock market appreciation skyrockets in value. But a wealthy investor asks, how does this asset pay me regularly? That's why they love assets like rental properties, dividend stocks, or businesses that generate steady cash flow. Think about this. A portfolio worth $1 million is impressive. But if it produces 0 monthly income, you're still stressed about bills. On the flip side, a smaller $300,000 portfolio that pays $2,000 in dividends and real estate cash flow every month gives you freedom today, not just someday. And here's the kicker: cash flow gives options. It lets the wealthy reinvest into more assets, fund new ventures, or simply live life without relying on a 9-to-5 job. Now, you might be wondering, if cash flow is king, how do they decide where to park that money? The answer lies in their obsession with boring but powerful vehicles like index funds. Number 4, they use index funds as wealth engines. Here's a myth buster: wealthy people aren't always chasing exotic hedge fund openings or risky private deals. Many quietly park millions into something you and I can access with just $100: index funds. Over the long run, index funds have historically delivered around 7 to 10% returns annually. That may not sound flashy, but compounding turns that into serious wealth. A $500 monthly investment in an S&P 500 index fund could grow into more than $1 million in 40 years. Here's where wealthy investors are smarter. They don't just hold index funds, they reinvest dividends automatically. This dividend reinvestment plan quietly multiplies their future net worth without lifting a finger. You don't need millions to start. Everyday people can do this with a simple online brokerage account. The trick is consistency. Wealthy investors don't time the market. They ride it, rain or shine. Number 5. They treat real estate as a business, not a dream home. Here's where everyday people and wealthy investors split paths. Most folks buy real estate with emotion. Oh, look at the kitchen. Rich investors? They buy it for math. They run numbers on rental income, property appreciation, tax advantages, and cash flow. For them, real estate isn't about having a dream home. It's about acquiring an asset that pays them monthly. Wealthy investors understand leverage. They'll use the bank's money to acquire multiple properties, multiplying rental income streams while protecting their equity growth. And they're not only buying in America, they often invest globally, hedging against local downturns. So, if you're eyeing real estate, don't ask, would I love living here? Ask, would this property pay me, protect me, and appreciate in value? That's the mindset shift. Strategy number 7, they budget like CEOs, not consumers. Wealthy people don't just track expenses. They run their personal finances like a business. Think about how a CEO works. They know where every dollar flows. They cut costs that don't generate returns, and they reinvest profits into growth. Wealthy individuals treat their money with that same discipline. Most people, they make $5,000 a month, spend $4,900, and then wonder why they can't invest. Rich people reverse the formula. They decide how much gets invested first, say 20% into index funds, dividend stocks, or real estate, and then live on the rest. Investments are a non-negotiable expense like rent or utilities. The wealthy treat their budgets as strategic plans. They don't nickel and dime lattes. They focus on reallocating thousands from low-value consumption into high-value wealth-building strategies. Stop asking, can I afford this today? Instead, ask, does this expense add to my long-term net worth? That simple shift transforms your budget from a cage into a growth engine. But here's the twist. What about debt? Most people fear it. The wealthy? They treat it like a power tool. Let's get into that next. Number 8. They harness debt as a tool, not a trap. This is where wealthy people really separate themselves from the crowd. For most folks, debt equals stress. Credit cards, car loans, and student payments eating up cash flow. For the wealthy, debt equals leverage. An entrepreneur might borrow at 5% interest to expand a business that returns 15% annually. They're not afraid of debt because they understand one golden rule. Good debt pays for itself. Bad debt drains you. Of course, this doesn't mean going wild with credit cards or personal loans. Wealthy people are surgical. They use debt to acquire income-generating assets, real estate, business expansion, or even structured loans for tax efficiency. Everyday people often avoid debt altogether, missing opportunities for growth. Wealthy investors ask, how can I borrow smartly so the asset pays me back? It's not about being debt-free, it's about being debt-wise. If they're using all these strategies, how do they keep so much of their money instead of handing it to the government? The answer: tax efficiency. Number 9. They obsess over tax efficiency. Taxes are the single biggest expense for most high earners. That's why wealthy investors structure their investments with laser focus on efficiency. They don't just rely on a paycheck taxed at the highest rate. They create streams of income taxed differently. For example, dividend income from certain stocks may be taxed at a lower rate than wages. Long-term capital gains from assets held over a year also get favorable treatment. Real estate investors often use depreciation to offset rental income, reducing their taxable liability while still enjoying positive cash flow. Wealthy people don't wait until tax season to see what happens. They plan year-round, often with advisors who structure trusts, accounts, and allocations strategically. And that brings us to the most underrated wealth-building principle of all. Wealthy people win because they stay in the game longer than anyone else. Number 10. They play the long game with systems, not shortcuts. If there's one thing you take away from this entire script, let it be this: wealthy people are patient. Most people want the quick hit, the hot stock tip, the sudden crypto win, the double your money hack. Wealthy investors know that systems beat excitement every single time. They build automatic investing systems. For example, They might set up recurring contributions into S&P 500 index funds every month, no matter what the market is doing. They trust in long-term stock market appreciation rather than trying to time every dip. The rich also avoid emotional decisions. While others panic in a bear market, wealthy investors quietly buy more. They understand volatility is temporary, but compound growth is forever. Here is the powerful takeaway for you. Wealthy people aren't magicians, lucky lottery winners, or born with insider secrets. None of these require millions to begin. They require patience, discipline, and the courage to think differently than the crowd. Here's the challenge I'll leave you with. Starting today, pick one wealth-building strategy from this list and implement it. Not tomorrow, not someday, but today. If this video made a difference, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more powerful tips. Now, if you want to know about how rich people build wealth without looking rich, then watch this video. I'll see you there.